Hi everyone, here I am is going to show my big data project about using the Amazon Web Service. The first is I'm going to show my MapReduce is the sum of job in big data. Yes, Okay, before we are going to the Amazon Web Service, I'd like to explain about a simple what is MapReduce. Okay, here is the material I have built. Okay, see what is the MapReduce here. Say we have big files with big data around 1 petabyte each files. You know how big is 1 petabyte is? Let's see, 1 petabyte, 2 gigabyte. Oh, it's very large. It's 1 million gigabyte. So each file is had 1 million gigabyte. It's very big, Okay, that's like wrong. So in the big data, each file is very big, and with the MapReduce, inside the files we are going to mapping into a key. What is basically key in this MapReduce? Okay, the MapReduce has two steps. The first step is the mapping job. Okay, the original data is more like this. Let's see, should we have repaint here? Okay, so let's say this is the original file we have. We have A, B, A, F, C, D, F, S, N, etc., and the others. So this is not a real big data project. It is a simple MapReduce project, basically for using for word count in a file. So we have the word A, it will be the key 1, and B will be the key 2. Oh, we have A again here. We have the key 1, okay, and this will be key 3, key 4, and we have B again, also key 2, and until the end of the value inside or and the end of the data inside the big files. Okay, after we have mapping job, so the next is the reduce job. Reducer will take the job after the mapper doing the mapping job. So once again we have this after map job, the key will be determined as the identifier of all value with the same key. The mapper result will be like this. Key 1, we have a key 1 is A, so for example his key 1 is get the value of 1 1 1 1, and key 2 is 2 2 2, and the other until the key of N. So we have the mapper result. We count how many value inside the key 1, how many value inside the key 2 until the N, the value of N. So the reducer will be produce a file that result of the mapping into the lighter and smaller files than the original data. So the reducer job will be like key 1 value is 5, key 2 value of 4, and the result it will be like this: key 1 5, key 2 4. So basically after the mapping we have map here, the reducer will be the logic will like this and produce the lighter and the smaller, which lighter than the original data, will be like just key 1 5, key 4 2, and the result will be we can produce like the original data. Let's take a look at the original data. The A as the key 1 will be like A5, then B4. So this is the simple word count with the MapReduce project. Imagine that we have Twitter, Facebook, Instagram data. My friend has working in Uber and he said every day has 8 petabyte data, which means 8 million gigabyte per day. Think how big it is. So when we have so many big data and files that we have count, we have processed, we have analyzed what is the user want, that with this MapReduce, this simple MapReduce, it's not as about the counting. It can be anything as long the mapper and the reducer is defined to do what the user wants. So once again, this is the basically simple explanation about MapReduce, we have two steps. The mapping steps is the first, and the reduce step is the second, and reducer will produce the file's name. The output will be like this from the original data, original files, and will be like this one, the output. For your information, if you want to know more information, you can find in the book, in the internet. There are so many people explain about the MapReduce better than me. So it is just like the simple MapReduce that I can explain to you. Okay. Thank you for watching this. I hope this can make you more note about the MapReduce, and see you in the next video.